Daniel Garza Music back at you with the average male singer. Today we're going to look at, this is a great tune and great beach tune called Don't Worry About a Thing. Okay, E major. 'Cause every little thing gonna be alright. Woke up this morning, B major. Okay, E major, A major, and B major. Great. Normally the song's in A, but it's high, you know. But if you're, working solo by yourself and you like the tune, but you want to... Okay, it's all up here. Okay, you hear the song in your head and let it come out to your guitar. All right, and as always, play to your strengths. Daniel Garza Music at yahoo.com. Thank you.